Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil life maintenance reminder on a 2008 Toyota Highlander. It could be a hybrid Highlander or a regular Highlander, doesn't matter. The only difference is one will have the key, the other one will have the button. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, just in the on position. I didn't hit the brake pedal and actually, start the vehicle or anything, but the ignition is on. So you want to make sure you're on trip A. So I'm on trip A. Okay, now I'm going to shut this off. And then I'm going to hold this button right here. And while I'm holding it, I'm also going to turn the vehicle back on. Now I'm going to push the on button 2 times. And I'm going to keep holding that button and you'll see that it's resetting. And there you have it. That's how you reset the oil life on a 08 Highlander.